So 1.2 is estimation, process of arriving at the approximate answer to a question is called estimation. So we have to run here in this case, and we're going to use this symbol, which means approximately equal to. And when we have estimation, that means that we do not have exact values. Example number 1, estimate the answer by first running the numbers to the nearest whole. So the first part A is asking to run to the nearest whole, and part B to nearest tenth. I'm writing this one using the first part. Running to whole number, each one of these is 73.53. Whole number means we shouldn't have decimal numbers. I shouldn't have 0.53. Here is 73. Looking to the right, the number here is 5. Since this one is greater than equal to 5, I have to add 1 here. So I'm just writing here. This is whole number, but this part is the decimal part. I don't know how this 53. Looking to the right of whole number, we have 5. 5 is greater than equal to 5. That means we had to add 1 to this, and the answer is 74. So here we have 74. Plus 21.38. This 3 is not greater than equal to 5. So no change to this part. And I have 21 plus 113.79. 0.79. 7 is greater than equal to 5, meaning I have to add 1 here. So it's 113 plus 1 is 114. 312.35. Rounding to whole number, the answer is, adding all these numbers, I have 521. Because it's asking to estimate the answer, but we have to first run each one of these numbers to whole number. So for tenths, we have 73.53. The place that we have here, this one is tenth. Looking to the right of tenth place, 3 is not greater than equal to 5. Since it's not, there is no change to this part. Meaning, rounding, the answer for this is 73.5. Another one, 21.38. 10th place is 3. Looking to the right of 10th place, we have 8. You have to see if that one is greater than or equal to 5. Yes, it is. So add 1 to this part. The answer is 21.4. The 3 plus 1 is 4. The 21.4 plus, next one is 113.79. Next one, 312.35. Again, this 5 is greater than or equal to 5. So add 1 to 3. and we have 312.4. Add all these numbers. Here we have 521.1. Next one, 24.21% of 457.835. Here was asking to first use whole number and then use nearest tenth. But we don't do exactly the same thing in this case. We have the first one, whole number. So running 24.21 to whole number. To the right of this whole number, we have 2, and 2 is not greater than or equal to 5, so no change to 24. So here is 24% of 457.835. So the whole number is this part. Looking to the right of that one is this number, is 8. 8, is that greater than or equal to 5? If so, here we have to add 1. 458. I'm erasing this one. Now I will find the answer. So it's 24%. Instead of writing this percent symbol, I'm going to write this one number is 24% of means multiplication. So it's multiplied by 458. Use calculator. 24% times 458, we have 109.92. Okay, since this one was asking to run to whole number, but here we have 0.92. Again, I'm going to run this part. So running this, 109.92. Here is whole number. Looking to right, 9 is greater than or equal to 5. So add 1 to this one. It's 110. Next one, we have to run to nearest tenth. So we had, I'm going to write that one here, 24.21%. Running to nearest tenth. This is the 10th place. Looking to the right of our 10th place, we have 1. We have to see if this is greater than or equal to 5. It's not, is not. That means no change to that part. No change to that one, but whatever we have after 10th place, we have to use 0. So it's 24.2. Here is 0. You don't need to write it because after this move, it doesn't matter if we write 0 or not. 457.835. So it's 457.835. And the 10th place is this one. Looking to the right of that one, this 3 is not greater than or equal to 5. Again, no change. So it's 457.8. After this one, now we're trying to find the final answer. So it's we have to use decimal number. For the first one is move this decimal point 2 points to the left. Now we have point 242. Of means multiplication. Multiply by 457.8. This is equal to 110.7876. Again, we have to run to nearest tenth because it's asking to run to nearest tenth to find the answer. This is nearest tenth, the 10th place. To the right, we have 8, and that's greater than 5, so add 1. And the answer 110.8. So that's the final answer for 10th place. So here we have okay, she decides to purchase cupcakes for a party. Estimate her cost if she purchases 23 cakes at $1.92. So how many cupcakes we have? Here is 23, and each one costs $1.92. So we have to estimate the total cost. That means we have to multiply. So each one is $1.92. To find total cost, we have to multiply by how many cupcakes we have here is 23. First, I'm going to find the answer, exact answer or exact value. And then after that, I'll work on estimation. And I will run. So the first part, how many cupcakes we have is 23. Multiply that one by $1.92. Using calculator, I got $44.16. This is exact cost, is exact value. That's why you have this symbol. It's equal to. Now the next one here, we have to find estimation. Since I have 23 and we don't have this one number, let's use our method to run here in this case, because we're trying to work on all rounding methods and learn all of these here, apply them here. You can use this one because we have 23 is whole number. Do we have another method to use and estimate that number? Can use front-end rounding. These are in pre-algebra. So we use front-end running to run. Here we have 23. The first number that you see from left is this one. It's 2. Looking to the right of this 2, we have 3. So ask yourself if that is greater than or equal to 5. If it's not, there is no change. And whatever you have after this number, this 2, to the right of that one, we have to use 0. So our answer is 20. So using front end rounding to round 23, the answer is 20. For the second round number, here we have a 1.92. 92 is in cents. I want to round to nearest dollar. Because when you have cost, you can either round to nearest dollar or near cents. Here in this case, we already have cents. And remember, for cents, we have two places, 1 and 2. We shouldn't have 3 decimal places. We should only have 2 places here. And in this case, this 92 is cents. So we don't have another choice, but round to nearest dollar. So round to. So we have 1.92 is $1.92. Rounding to nearest dollar is this one. This part is dollar. Looking to the right of that one, this is 9. Again, ask if 9 is greater than or equal to 5. If the answer was yes, you have to add 1. So here we have 2.00. So use this one here on top. Now 20 times 2, total we have $40. I'm going to use this equal to here on top for exact value, and here I have estimation. If you want to write your answer right after 20 times 2, you have to write exact equal to 40. Or if you want to write use this symbol, you have to write that one here. So our estimate is approximately equal to $40. Here in this case, this matters where you're writing this $40.